The Edward Hernandez Scholarship is established for studies in museum studies, archival studies, or archaeology to honor the life and legacy of one of Tobago's most distinguished visual artists and cultural historians. This partial scholarship, which covers up to 100% of tuition fees and books for both full-time and part-time students, will be awarded annually to a deserving individual with a deep appreciation for history, art, science, and human cultures. The late Edward Hernandez was a man of immense creative depth and intellectual rigor. He dedicated his life to capturing the soul of Tobagonian heritage through both fine art and historical preservation. Born into a family of artisans in Dullaford, Hernandez's journey was marked by early brilliance. As a young teenager, he served as a teaching monitor and was granted special dispensation to study art and design in the University of the West Indies Extramural Studies program. His mastery spanned from the intricate technical skills of masquerade design, such as wire bending and papier-mâché, to professional accreditation as a multimedia designer. Hernandez's career was defined by his collaborations with world-renowned scholars. Under studying figures like Drs. Lou Lichtveld and J.D. Elder, he became a pillar of museology and anthropological research. His work was instrumental in the development of the Tobago Heritage Festival and the Tobago Museum, where he eventually served as director. His artistic contributions were equally significant, as evidenced by his receipt of the 2003 Public Service Medal Silver and the 1996 Individual of the Year Awards. He was the designer of official gifts for the late Queen Elizabeth II and the late Archbishop Desmond Tutu. Hernandez's artistic legacy is etched in his renowned folklore-themed pen and ink series Passages and remains a permanent part of the National Museum and Art Gallery collection. The late Edward Hernandez believed that art was not merely aesthetic, but a vital vessel for a nation's history. This scholarship seeks to support students who mirror his multidisciplinary spirit or individuals passionate about visual arts, cultural anthropology, and heritage preservation. By investing in the next generation of creatives and historians, this fund ensures that the passages Hernandez so masterfully documented continue to be explored and celebrated for years to come.